Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this scope edit in CapCut PC. So, I don't think I selected the correct one for that one, but I'll just use this kind of overlay here. I'm going to select the video. If your background is green, select the chroma key, but if your background is black, select blend mode and select screen. I'm just going to go to the scope part here. I'm just going to scale it up to fit it. You can adjust the opacity as well if you'd like to. I'm also going to add it here. Wait, I'm going to add it here when the scope is there. You can also add an in animation. Maybe the zoom out one. Or let's see what animation would look good. Maybe the zoom one could work. Make it a little bit faster though. But it's totally up to you. You can also do this rotation one. But that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.